Demolition. Protect the objective.
Hey guys, it's your boy here, Megadodoproductions. Welcome back. You probably saw my last video, 2 ninja diffusers in 1 game with my cousin. Well, I'm at his house right now. I brought my Xbox and we were playing some Demolition and spawn trapping, and we went ham, split screen, and we joined in late. And we didn't have overtime. If we had overtime and didn't join late, we probably would have gotten 100 plus. But we still got 90. My cousin got like 93. I don't know. I'm not sure. But as you can see the gameplay, we did go ham. We were spawn trapping hardcore. So first I'm gonna show you guys tsaini's point of view, which is my cousin, because I let him play first player because he's very good. And his KD on like PS3 is 5, so I just let him play first player on Xbox so he can get me some stuff. And I'll show you my point of view in another video, but this video is just going to be his point of view, and then I'll show you mine in another video, part 2. But basically we went ham. We were like spawn trapping these kids hardcore. In the first round you won't see much, but the second round we were in the blue house hardcore spawn trapping. And this is non-lethal. We didn't use any lethal. Like, we did have swarm and dogs on, but we didn't get them because we died on purpose so we can get a non-lethal gameplay stats. And I don't even know if we got that many, but just look at the gameplay. It's very, very good. It's not the best, but I mean we did good, and we just wanted to post this on YouTube, so here you go. You guys can watch it. And if you guys wanna add my friend on PS3, maybe you think he's very good. He's way better on PS3. His KD is like 5, well 4.90, right?
Yeah.
So like, if you guys wanna add him, his name's Prospetic. He'll name will be in the description, and you can ask him if you want to join his clan. But I mean he has a hardcore clan, so you'll probably have to be good. And if you guys want to add me, and if you guys want to invite me to a spawn trapping clan, go ahead, because I want a spawn trapping clan. Honestly, I really do. And yeah, the gameplay, it was on Nuketown. It was on the they had, and we were just like booming. Like, honestly, we were wrecking these kids, and they didn't rage quit. I'm surprised. Some of them did, but this other guy, he did not rage quit, and I killed him so much. And honestly, I like these guys, and they weren't too good. I mean, they weren't like extreme tryhards, and they were easy. So first round you won't see so much spawn trapping, because first round my cousin didn't do so good. First round I did good. I got 40 kills. Didn't do so good, and you're watching his point of view. So if you watch part 2, you'll see me how good I did in first round. But second round he went ham, and I went ham too. But he, at the end, he got like 90 kills or 91. And I got like 87, and it was very fun. And remember, no overtime. We won both rounds because of our teammates, and it was only me and him, and our teammates just freaking ruined everything. Plus, we didn't have lethals. I mean, we had it on, but we didn't get them. Lethal, and I almost got one, but I died on purpose. Well, not really, but I wanted to die because you know, I wanted it to be a non-lethal gameplay, like a awesome dude. So yeah, I basically have nothing to talk about, but I have one more thing. YouTube, yeah, YouTube. I post videos just so I can watch them, and you guys can watch them, and I really like posting videos, but I don't have Elgato. If I recorded this, I'm recording it at my cousin's house right now, and he has Elgato, and I don't, so it's gonna be a real problem. But we'll probably post more videos because he's gonna sleep over at my house for a week. So we'll probably post more spawn trapping videos, but honestly, I wish I had Elgato. It costs so much, and maybe I'll get one. You never know. Like, maybe if there's a really cheap HDR PVR out there, I'll get it. But I have the section of YouTube where I don't post videos that much. I've been here for like 3 years, and I'm only at like 20 subscribers because I don't post that much. Sorry about that. And then you see a random gameplay on here, 100 plus fail. But I'm gonna let you guys watch the whole gameplay. Please leave a like, and hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Step up. Demolition. Defend the objective. Be advised, hostile care package inbound. Grenade, move! Hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly care package inbound. Bomb has been planted.
Let's go!
Bomb defused. Lightning strike coordinates received inbound.
Got a kill!
Friendly UAV inbound. Bomb active. Bomb deactivated. Lightning strike coordinates received inbound. Bomb offline. Friendly care package inbound. Bomb online. Bomb active. Friendly lightning strike inbound. Bomb defused. Friendly care package inbound.
Tag insert online! Got a kill!
Hunter-killer drone deployed. Hostiles have destroyed your
Concussion out! Tag insert online!
bomb offline. UAV inbound. Friendly lightning strike inbound.
Threat down! Shut out! Shut out! Threat down!
Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. Theater wasn't buffering, so I had to like do everything again. But yeah, just enjoy the video. Sorry for the buffering.
That's another kill!
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Tag insert online!
Care package inbound.